Hi, my name is Melanie. I live in North Carolina, and some people might know me by the name of Overglow Edit. Overglow Edit definitely feels like my creative other half, my alter ego, and I take photos for myself, I take photos for brands and videos, and I talk about beauty and skincare and nails and nail art, anything I'm loving at the moment. I just try to keep myself open to creating whatever feels right and where I'm feeling at that time in my life. And in short, I'm a content creator, but obviously I feel like I'm doing a lot more than that. Overglow Edit first came about when I just wanted a creative outlet, something fun to do while I was still working an office job and share beauty recommendations with coworkers and friends, just something super easy and fun to try out. And it's been a really long, winding road to where I am now. I never really intended when I first started it for it to become what it is, but it's definitely been a path of figuring out what I like and what I want to do and what I like to share and what I want to say. And it's always very personal when I put images out, and even when I create content for brands, it feels like I'm taking little bits of myself and putting it out there. So it is all very personal to me, but it's also very therapeutic. So it's become just this personal safe space and a creative outlet and just a lot of feelings all in one. It's an extension of me. It doesn't feel like a brand, it just feels like it's me. The process of creating this collection with local Eclectic felt very organic and natural, really just starting with conversations about my style and the type of jewelry I liked and the type of pieces I gravitate towards. And from there, I pulled together a bunch of inspiration and a mood board and really thinking to myself the kind of pieces I like and what I would want to wear now, but also 5 to 10 years from now, because I wanted pieces that felt timeless, but also unique. I kept gravitating towards these photos of Debbie Harry. They were really resonating with me because it felt like glam, but effortless. It wasn't taking itself too seriously, it was fun, and there was just an ease to it. I'm inspired by colors the most just because I find myself when I look at photos or I'm walking down the street or I see people's outfits, anything, I'll notice the color combinations first. And I like that I can start in that kind of abstract way of thinking about colors, and then my mind wanders from there, thinking about different themes and things like that. I'm also really inspired by music. I find that it affects my mood a lot, and so I can put on a certain song and it can put me in the right headspace for where I need to be when I'm creating my work or shooting photos or doing videos. What I love about jewelry is that it can transform you, and when I'm wearing a big sweater or just a crew neck sweatshirt, if I put on rings and hoops, I immediately feel more put together. Even if I'm still looking a mess, I just feel more like myself. Just another way to express yourself. And I also love that jewelry can hold so many feelings and memories with it, and I think it's really beautiful that you can pass these pieces down to family and loved ones and share those feelings and memories with them too. I hope you love what we were able to create, and thank you for checking out the collection. Bye!